I'm helping Franco sa acceleration. Wow, galaw wow, grabe. Whoa! Whoa, that's so cool. Go! Whoa! Whoa! Up to hold, ah. Franco, hold! Hold! Franco, hold!
Hold on, Franco, hold on.
Oh, i-close ko na. Good job! Did you enjoy? Okay, finish na. Right again. Oh, natulog na kayo? Teka na. Still on the bus, Joe runs over. The horn on the bus says beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, wait lang ha, si Kuya Franco eh. Punggo na kami nito eh. Ala, takas na ako na naman. Ako na. Uy, 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 wala na. Naboboard na na. Gusto niya kasi siya lang buting-buti. Totoo. May tinamaan ba kayo? Yay! Okay, I will play. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 100. Big bass bonus. Big. Oh, yay! 100. Bakit gano'n? 4 tickets lang. Big bass 100. Ano na? Ba't gano'n? Okay, 4 tickets. Hindi naman ako, So, nagdi-dispute ako kasi 4 lang yung lumabas. So, tinawag ko si Kuya. Ayan o, hello! O, diba? I won nga, 100 tickets. Nag-delay lang daw yung sensor. But they gave me 100 tickets. Want to play? Want to play with finish? Oh, there? Let na, mommy needs it. Go, you can do it. Let.
Frostbite.
Go, Greco! Miss! Ano ba yan pa? Grupo yan ha. Let's see if Doc will win.
No.
The... Oh, wait. Halika na. We're looking for a place to eat. What you want to do? What you want to eat?
I don't know. Ano?
Pasta?
Carbonara, I would like.
Lara, yun, mamalu. Kaya lang, bukas kaya yung...
Nag-Japan pa.
Mawa naman si Kuya Franco namin. Don't worry. Thank you.
I already did one. Wala kaming website. Like na talaga Philips.
Sarap ba kayo daw? Wala yung flavor eh. Kasi akala ko mahal si Franco. Walang flavor. Just a regular. Matatandaan mo, kumain tayo dito, Mamalus, yung after ng water park. Yes.
That mango.
Yeah. Sa Mamalus Pet Shop.
Illegal.
No, pineapple yung illegal. Ayan. Tama na, water muna. Ayun ang kain kasi. Okay. Uy, happy baby na si Kuya Zach. Busog ka na?
Ha?
Busog ka na? Ha? Busog ka na? Yung ano dito yan. Okay, good job.